trust people with things.
I don't even log into. I don't even know the username for that matter.
I don't know the username of things either, but I do it.
Yeah, I don't know that either.
Shut up, Dan. Stop trying to be funny.
Hilarious,
You're
Dan.
not funny. You're a
Hilarious.
twat, and no.
Yeah, my server rank is 34 out of 523412. That's
5, 2,
pretty
3,
good.
4, 5, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Oh, why am I on this Switch team?
You
Teams
can't.
would become too unbalanced. Oh, that's stupid.
Oh,
Stupid.
just going to wreck you,
that
Steve.
is a stupid and a
You
half.
have to check
right
yourself
there.
before you wreck yourself, mate.
I mean, I didn't, but...
Steve, did you even check yourself before you wrecked yourself?
No, did you even wreck yourself before you checked yourself?
I did.
Okay. That helicopter's gone down in distance. That's exciting, right? Exciting thing.
Can I shoot these towers down?
No.
No, they're indestructible. That sucks.
I'm getting severe popping. Oh, fucking wrecked whoever that was. Suo Loomies! Suo ya Loomies! That was his name. Oh.
Oh, I gave that to Edge.
But we're about to win more, like. Ah, scrubs.
Yeah, but I was just laying down some mines. Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
super
shoot it?
clear.
No,
We
maybe.
lost.
Whoa, helicopter.
Whoa, okay.
I guess
Well,
when I
that was
hit, but I'm not sure.
exciting, wasn't it, guys? What a
Steve, you
wonderful,
got to play as
fulfilling
Russia, your favourite
experience.
blitz.
Didn't that
Oh, I forgot to activate thing.
I just did. I like realised halfway through. I was like, oh shit.
I was credit to team there. I got one kill and then didn't.
Oh, I've
go
maxed out my engineer points, but I've got a P90
Man,
battle
I've maxed
pack.
out all mine.
I had the same KD as Ginge did and only just joined.
Guys, I'm gonna open my P90 battle pack.
Yes.
I got some stuff.
Dan, I had a better
P90
KD than
battle.
you when you were in the game the whole time. Step it up.
Oh, I like this map.
I don't. I've never played it before, so I don't like it.
Well, with that attitude, you're stupid.
Well, can't be any more stupid than you.
Fucking wreck, man.
Alright, am I on your team is the question.
No, but you probably can if you switch quick.
Are you on Russia? Yes, you are.
Yes.
I'm going to join golf. I've never played golf before. I'm going to get in your quad bike then. Oh, I remember this map now.
Yeah, I thought you would.
Don't normally play
Yeah,
it.
oh,
This
that is a tank, Dan.
You normally play this as DBM.
I'd appreciate that if we didn't get blown up.
Let's take it out.
Okay, you can do
I missed.
that.
I missed
And
it out.
I will just sit and not die.
Ah!
Come on, Ginge, get back on the quad bike.
Alright, coming over. Come on, drive.
Has a rocky start there. Actually, let's go kill people. I saw people inside this building. I follow your lead, plebeian.
Yeah, no way.
Yeah, no way. Are we Ruskies?
Oh, I just missed him.
That
Oh,
wasn't him.
the Russian spawn on this map is actually sick. You go down that road and then do. Oh, I love this map. You know, you go down that road and do that sharp turn. Am I right? Right? Anyone?
No.
Yeah, I do know.
Just you, Dan. Just you.
Go on,
Ginge,
Steve, quick.
I'm dying.
Never
Quick,
mind, I got
go.
shot.
Oh, you dick. I got shot as well because...
Res me, res me, res me, res me.
I'm
res
I
me.
just
dead.
got 1 day ban. for
Res me,
insults
res me.
to chat.
I can't res you if I'm dead. That's not how being dead works,
Steve,
Dan.
why didn't you res me?
If I'm a ghost, I can't make you not a ghost.
Oh,
Oh, hello, Dan.
scared me.
How are things?
Can you cap C from down here? Yes, you can.
Are things good, Dan?
They're alright.
Stop throwing
Mother.
C4. It scares me.
This is the map we can blow up the entire road.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go do that. Dan, you get to one end, I'll go to the other.
Alright.
Alright, I'll go with Dan.
Okay, you're
I'll,
going
leave it
the
up,
way.
I'll leave it up to you as to which one I'm going. Oh! Oh!
Oh, there's enemies though.
Unfortunately,
Ignore
I was
them, ignore
using
them,
a,
we've got it! Oh.
I was using an unscoped
alright.
bolt action rifle.
Alright, mine's good.
I should have pulled
Mine
out
is
my...
not, because it's in enemy territory and we both died.
I should have
Pressures
pulled out my
increased.
machine pistol.
You need to go do that now, guys, come on.
I'm spawning on
Where's
you
it?
Dan.
Don't spawn
Oh,
on
I
me, you need to
spawned
get
on
a
the wrong
quad high,
side.
you go nuts, and go...
Donut? I
We need
like
to get a
donuts.
vehicle.
Yeah, we need to go head
Do you have
down
any
that way.
donuts, Dan?
No, pancakes today.
I know you like custard. Get on that
Go.
quad bike.
I'm
Down,
out
wait
of it.
up.
See you later, boys.
Down, wait up. No!
Down,
Get on quick.
Alright, let's go.
Traitors!
To the other Valve thing.
Right, you do that, I'll kill some mans.
To Valve software.
See, cover us, bro.
I mean, I don't have the best weapon for doing so. Dan, please. Dan, please! Oh god, I almost got killed. Dan! Stop driving into things! Driving into things is not a viable solution to escaping.
Shit.
Get down that hole, Dan. Get down it fast.
I'm dead, you fuck.
Oh my god, you should have got down the hole faster.
Biggie, go make sure the other one's increased.
I don't know what you're on about. I'm just going to get on this quad bike and drive.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, you mean the other valve? Oh, okay.
I thought you could go through those!
Oh, mate. No, you can't go through them. That's great.
Oh, there's an elevator here. Exciting
Don't worry, I
stuff.
spawned at B before I got taken. I'm flanking around, they don't even know I'm here.
I'm just
I'll
gonna
go do it,
hide
just keep an eye on the main
flank
road,
and
yeah.
not
Tank
die.
down, tank down, tank down.
I
Move,
died.
move. Yeah, Stan, I'm right here with you, mate.
I'm hopping down in the
not
hole.
expecting.
Let's do this.
Yeah, we're in the hole, we're in the hole. Do it.
You're in the hole.
Oh, good, get out of it, get out of it.
It's gonna blow!
It's gonna blow.
Get out of there, it's gonna blow!
Oh,
Let's watch it from here.
No, let's help B.
we're so gonna get killed.
Oh no, there's a tank here.
Oh no! Ginge! Oh.
Watch the middle bit, watch the middle bit.
I tried to chuck you health, but just pulled out
Yeah, I'm
my
standing
things.
right by it.
That tank is gunning the hell out of you.
Whoa, whoa!
It damaged
Dude,
the
it blew up
tank.
the tank. I didn't blow up the tank. The tank is very much
It
still
damaged it though.
Yeah.
There are a lot of explosions here.
here. Right now we can focus on the objectives,
That's
boys.
fun. Now the revolution's done.
Dan, can you help me with the explosions?
Oh, tanks. Oh dear, tanks. I'm out of here.
I got a flag capture of Dan, let me on.
Do they? You don't know?
Oh, okay,
Don't wanna get on
I'm
that
glad I didn't get on
I was
that.
like, you don't want to get on that
Uh,
one,
I don't.
mate. Take it out.
Tanks
quick,
coming
'cause
around,
there's a
I'll
tank
shoot
coming.
it.
This is a very nice corner you found, Dan. Oh, I blew it! That's the first time I've ever blown up a tank.
Really?
Yep.
Mate, I always blow
It's
that shit
because
up
I
with
never
C4.
use explosives. Like I just like shoot.
Oh
take
damn,
it
I think I
out.
just saw you.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, Dan, let's have a wait. Stop a sec. I'm gonna put a C4 in the car.
I'm being followed by
There you
two,
go. Oh, okay. That didn't end well. Dan, you might be surprised to hear that got blown up by a tank.